Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram group link. New process. So in the old process, you can share the link to your friend to invite your friend into your group. But in this new process or new update of Instagram, there is no group link anymore. You cannot share the link from Instagram anymore. So all you have to do is just add manually your friend. So you have to follow your friend, and your friend you have also follow you as well. So let's get started by tap your message or inbox, tap one of your groups, tap the group bio or icon, and just tap add your friend. You can search your friend that you want to add to the group. Just tap the checklist, done, and you can add. Just tap this add button so your friend will be join the group. So I tell you before, there is no group link anymore in Instagram new updates. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.